Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech IT Insights. Today I'm going to discuss about the modern BSS telco architecture, how business support business BSS will works. Will we'll discuss, and then we'll talk about the what are the different vendors it will support and what are the main component involved in BSS. Basically, this BSS is not only the one vendor, it has support multiple vendors BSS system, and then it has other BSS stacks like banking and other like sales and insurance and any other vendors also of product will support, will discuss. So please subscribe my channel. Let's start. What is the BSS? First we'll talk about, I will talk about the BSS, then I will discuss about the OSS part, and this is only is OSS part I will cover, and next video I will going to give the uh, complete OSS support system, how it will works. The value of uh, the feature of understand the business support system, the backbone of the modern business operations. Now let's talk about the what is BSS. The a business support system manage the operation and customer facing. Basically, how these basically it comes about the uh, initiative or interact with the customer, and BSS is a enhance the, like it talk about the how service deliveries and how across the provide the framework interaction with the application and managing the operation and customer facing. What that BSS main key performing of the all essential business perspective. Now, coming to the key, what are the characteristics of the BSS? Unified the platform operation, enhance the customer experience and operational efficiency, and adaptable of the industries, how it is the how the best is product offerings, billing, managing the billing as customer data. This is very important of the BSS platform. Now coming to the how BSS works. Today modern BSS platform we have very important leverage of the AI tools and RPA and then cloud based services. This complex process enabling the real time operation and managing the customer journey, it's very important of the cloud services. And the seamless data, which is very important key role how the BSS works to manage the all customer information, customer journey efficiency. And this one you can see here. Now functional overview is, will talk about the BSS. This business area has some customer product management, we can say, and order management, billing and payments, and customer services. It talk about the how complaints and tickets has been raised and handling the service activation in the it is in terms of the order management progeny, and how your automatic invoice generation and sending the invoice collection to the customer, that every month how invoice and centralize the support. These are the, it is primary talk about the functional overview of the BSS. Now let's see how it is works here. As a customer and sales, he may use this customer portal and it has interact with the product catalog, and if you see the order management and billing system and analogs this, and its front end is CRM system, and customer facing will be happen with the BSS support in the customer life cycle. it talk about here. Now the use case of the telecom industry, like how the example of SIM auto activation, fraud in case of you lost SIM code and then you are contact with the customer care and reproducing the different SIM number, and suppose identify the verification EKYC and the past payment collections, multi-service provisioning, and digital identity verification. It talk about the systems like ecosystems like CRM and middleware like OSB and where AI pips and all mediations, rating, and if you see this uh, billing system and revenue assurance will happen here. The use case of the one of the how BSS in telco, like how you went to the um, you want to buy one is SIM code. These are the basic services use case journey will happen in this in the systems here. Now let's talk about the, if you see here, bases behind telecom, like there are not only in the telecom, there are some utilization of the banking sector basis system or insurance and supply chain. It talk about the utilities of energy, building services, activation, consumption of tracking, and customer on board. Let's talk about the banking, fintech, or any companies like customer on board, complaints, loan management, insurance. We talk about the insurance sector, and the benefit of the BSS has rapidly deployment, has rapidly offering the rapid development, high scalability, and multi-service import and scalability and secure complaints. We talk about the real world impact is now the significantly cost of the seamless process. One is reduce the operational cost, improve the customer satisfaction, then it is a fast time to market. It's very important to the in in the competition world, time to market because of the competitors and acquisition and high data acquisition of security reliable of the promotion to the customer, to engage with the customer and satisfy with the customer feedback services, and to fast time to market here. Now if you see here, the key criteria of here why base is critical is fast revenue assurance, and you can say customer satisfaction and analytics. And the another concept is will comes to the why telco is the brain of the telecom. We can say like welcome to the basic of the how core concept will works, and now we'll see the how different component will involve here. Now the I discussed managing the core operation seamless process with this BSS, and the benefit of here revenue management, billing charges, and CRM, product offering, order management will happen here. This customer journey through the BSS, like he can use the multiple systems, like front end will be the web page and like the website and mobile app. He can use the catalog of the services buying the subscription here. And if you see the service activation, usage tracking will happen, and it will happen the billing and payments and support. Why the BSS critical telecom? As I told you, time to market, revenue assurance, customer experience, and advanced here. Now modern BSS and legacy of the system is very important now. Previously we were using monolithical architecture, whereas on-premises cloud and charging process, manual workflows, custom APIs. Now if we talk about the legacy systems or microservices, cloud native, real-time charging. This is very important when it comes to the charging point of view, automated orchestrations will happen. Now TM forums will happen. See, modern is nowadays cloud native, real time OCS, online time charging, and automatic orchestration will happen, like Dockers and Kubernetes, CI/CDs, and then dynamic, now AI driven catalogs, which is very important in the product modeling point of view, and dynamic offers need to provide the basis in the modern cloud basis systems. Now advanced basis modeling of the scenarios, like payment collections, like CCS converges charging systems, and collections dunning module, and central management, and real-time scenarios like new SIM activation via app, mobile app, real-time data reduce notification, and the OTT activation of the seamless redemption of the service, like Spotty. Now BSS with AI features. Why AI feature is to automated of analytics of the basis and leverage of integration in this AI tool will enhance these predictions, machine learning, risk leverages, and if you see the AI power bots will happen, enhance the customer services, intelligent like call center automation scaling, and another one is dynamic pricing, optimizing the tariffs offering based on the real-time market conditions. Then if you see the fraud, this fraud detection of the prevention of the identify, and immediately what are the precautions you are taking the assurance, that is also very important with the feature of the BSS. Now let's take about the Oracle. One of the tools is very powerful now. Basis transformations, like it will happen from the CRM front end facing, like CRM, and OS. It like talk about the AA CRM PM integration with the AA building system, and it talk about the AI integration pattern application to order command to order to cash, how it will happen if you see the here application by using the Java Shoot and ready-made of a pips. Now the feature of the comprehensive architecture point of view, now channel and time to market and hosting and charges and APIs. Now it has APIs are very important now. TM forum APIs, standard APIs. Whenever the requirement will comes, we'll used to build basically in terms of custom APIs. It is own APIs integrate. But here TM forum APIs has ready-made APIs, plug and play with standard system tightly coupled with the AI and CRM and billing systems, all BSS stack. We can use these APIs, we can play here. The charging point of real time and cloud native, if you see the omni-channel BSS tracking, modern BSS and microservices will go into key role of the feature of the BSS feature. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. I will going to give the next video. I will talk about the all OSS and the how OSS will works. What are the components involved in the OSS platform? Thank you.